What's up, King Team back. Today we're gonna get a new car. It's gonna be a Toyota Highlander, and I'm gonna share you the last week I went to the dealership and I choose the car. Now I'm gonna put on you guys right now. Okay, as you guys see, I'm at the dealership with the car. I'm in my own garage in this dealership. They put me in. My dad's talking to the people. They let me in. I'm gonna show you guys the car. Wow, bro. Look, see the seats are red. The car is black. I'm not gonna show you guys the drive. Oh shoot, it's okay, I can blur. See, yeah, there's 3 seats here. You press a button, I don't know how, but I'm gonna close it. Wow. You see, these are the seats. Let me sit down. Yeah, let's make it a bit far. Yo, this is pretty sick, not gonna lie. Look, I'm gonna sit in here. You know what? Yeah. Let's go. By the way, the dealership won't say anything. I don't have the keys, lol. Bruh, this is so hard to... because the car's not on. Okay, let's see. Wow, bro, Toyota. I don't know what that is. I'm joking. Yeah. So, yeah, I got red seats. This is a nice. My dad's going. I'm turning 12, so then the next 4 years, I'm probably gonna be 16, and I'm gonna get my driver's license. And when I'm done, I'm probably gonna drive this a little bit. Then my dad's gonna sell it. That's kind of sad. I mean, yeah. Bro. What is this over here? I'm joking. I'm gonna lock myself. I'm joking. I can't do that. Is there a light down? Oh. Wait, they're saying the door's open. Oh, yeah, because, you know, probably because I don't know.